Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Canon PIXMA G3200 setup files as well as drivers for your Windows computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is start off by opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but we're going to use Google Chrome for today's tutorial. And you want to go search for Canon printer drivers, so go ahead and open that up. Select one of the best results should be from a Canon domain here, so go ahead and open that up. And you can either search the field for it, or you can go down to printers and just go ahead and left click on that. Select the PIXMA button, so go ahead and select that. And then select PIXMA G2200 from this list, so go ahead and left click on that. And now you want to select the full driver and software package, and go ahead and select the select button, and then select download. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up to run it. And select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. You can close out of the web browser at this time, and then select the Start Setup button. And then you'd select your correct country of origin, and then select Next. Agree to the license terms, select Yes, and then you agree. You want to agree to anything it prompts you for. And then you just would continue to follow along with the on-screen prompts, and that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.